4 класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский. Домашнее задание, урок 37, часть 2, страница 90-91. English, Starlight 4, homework, lesson number 37, part number 2, page number 90-91. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 90. Exercise number 1. Complete the word puzzles. Закончите кроссворд. January, May. February, June. March, April. July, August. September, October. November, December. Number 2. The answer, letter U. Number 3. The answer, letter R. Number 4. The answer, letter U. Number 5. The answer, letter T. Number 6. The answer, letter E. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Make a calendar with important dates for you. 12th January, Ivan's birthday. Создай календарь с важными датами для тебя. Number 1. The 1st of May, my mom's birthday. Number 2. The 12th of July, my father's birthday. Number 3. The 23rd of November, my birthday. Number 4. The 11th of December, my sister's birthday. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Read and put a tick or a cross. Then correct the mistakes. Alvin's birthday is on the 4th of July. Fairy Day is on the 24th of June. Прочитай и поставь галочку или крестик. Затем исправь ошибки. Sentence number 3. C is the third letter of alphabet. Number 3. The answer, third. C – третья буква в алфавите. Number 4. They've got 10 cats. Number 4. У них 10 котов. Number 5. He was the 6th in the race. Number 5. The answer, the 6th. Он был 6-м в гонке. Number 6. September is the 9th month of the year. Number 6. The answer, 9th. Сентябрь, 9-й месяц в году. Number 7. Who was the first president of the USA? Number 7. The answer, first. Кто был первым президентом США? 8. When is the 12th of May? Number 8. The answer. Когда 12 мая? Number 9. Did you come back from Russia on the 30th? Number 9. The answer. Ты вернулся из России 30-го. Number 10. Dennis has scored 100 pence. Number 10. The answer 100. У Денниса 100 ручек. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 91. 91. Exercise number 4. Read and circle, then color. Number 1. Color the well pink. Прочитай и обведи, затем закрась. Number 1. Колодец. Закрась розовым. Number 2. Color the ferry bell purple. Number 2. The answer. Ferry bell. Закрась фиолетовым. Number 3. Color the mustache black. Number 3. The answer. Mustache. Закрась усы черным. Number 4. Color the blanket red. Number 4. The answer. Blanket. Закрась покрывало красным. Number 5. Color the coin green. Number 5. The answer. Coin. Закрась монету зеленым. Number 6. Color the bead yellow. Number 6. The answer. Bead. Закрась бороду желтым. Number 7. Color the bluebird blue. Number 7. The answer. Bluebird. Закрась певчую птицу синим. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.